In this video, we'll show you how to change the language settings on an Android phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Changing the language can be especially useful if you're having trouble understanding the current one, or if you simply prefer to use your device in a different language. Let's get started by opening the Settings app on your phone. You can swipe up to access your apps, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, search for Language option. Tap on its section at the top. Tap on Language, and you'll be presented with a list of languages currently available on your device. If you find the language you want, tap the Edit button in the top right corner. Then, simply tap and hold the arrows next to the language and drag it to the top of the list. If the language you need isn't in the list, press back and select Add Language. Pick your preferred language from the available options and it will be added to the list. You can either keep it as the current language or set it as the default.